Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and just as a little update, as we learn more about the fixes that Microsoft pushed through the Windows Update on Patch Tuesday yesterday. Windows has actually 4 0-days exploited in the wild in these updates. Although they have only one that they rated critical, there are 4 high severity that are 0 days. One is in the handling of the downloads. We talked about the fact that there is a secure download by checking out, if the file is okay, and it's like mark of the web, as they call it. And that was easily bypassed, so that is one that was already exploited in the wild with bad files being downloaded without Windows saying anything. And there's, of course, a few other ones. One with Windows Logon feature that has a flaw that needed to be fixed. So there's quite a few little things in the update that are important. So among the hundreds of fixes on every other type of services that Microsoft has. So make sure that you update, make sure that you check for updates, as this will be very important for you to get the latest security and make sure that everything is all right on your PC. 0 days exploited in the wild means that there are web pages out there, mostly web pages from smaller websites or shady websites you might visit that try to exploit one of these flaws, and of course then gain control of your PC. So quite a few little things that are interesting. Remember, on Windows 11 22H2 end of support, so first upgrade your Windows 11 operating system with the trick and the videos that I've posted yesterday, trying to move on at least to stay safe. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.